MeghalayaPost.news. Kumshibunta ban kuntiyo ka Jingialehkai chess hapo ka dong berkathain Riboy District Chess Association RBDCA hakasngi bladam kelapanlong ya ka Open Chess Tournament Riboy College nongpo hagani ka lempung bun spa Angnud ki khna ki samla pule bat Jingialehkai na keleng kathain Riboy kilawan bani shibunta ban pen iya la kasam hagani ka Jingialehkai ka bakir shut ya ka jabieng ban pen dikna ya ka Jingia be ya runti jong ka Jingialehkai chess kat kum ki kendon ladan benta ban penya ya kan daw Biju Singh ubade international arbiter rengkat badu amar bandari national arbiter lembar ke jingirap jong kiwei ki volunteer balasak hiru ya ka jingwan bani shimenta da kispa Angnud Jingialehkai chess haka bakut jong kelempung la penbenai kinong job haki kerdan bapher ukraw makdo lora ikanam ladu haka kerdan kishenrang but so Joshua Gilbert gashnga but Neverland lengdo haka liang ki kentaipan ketanvi bhatia kalalong kaladu kadbak amen chidina sangma barkadap kerhai kharkarang kilawan haka kerdan baar bat balai lai ru ika kusnam kerpang shikinoi shimenta ki bedang ritam kata ya Dafi banbet suciang barumat azaria matlai kadbau Arnold Moksha ulayo ekanam kumunoi shimenta ubarang ba tam hagani ka program ladon langru MDC kanongpo ba Matthew Makdo kumukongsan laidon rengkat ru uba KW Warjri presiden ka Meghalaya Chess Association ka Dr. Sima Sungo treasurer ka Indo Games and Sports Association baruba Frankie Nongrum presiden ka Riboy District Chess Association.
Everyone of you knows it is a brain game. But our strong has already spoken about that, even the president. Suppose your brain is very good and very strong. You sit here for 1-2 hours and play the game, but physically you are very weak. What will happen? Your brain is still walking very fine, but your body will not allow. So you lose the game. So kindly, it is not that only your brain should go. Even you have to be very fit if you want to do this. And by seeing these young kids here, really intelligent. Recently only, day before yesterday, came from Jharkhand and then Guwahati. So the players there, 7 years old, 6 years old, and the way they are playing, even the seniors are scared of them. Yeah, we lack very much here. We don't have any good coach, this and that in Meghalaya, but slowly we try to do that. And very soon, we want that grandmaster should come here and give a coaching. But we have to look for a grandmaster who will be in the level of the kids also, and for the seniors. Like last time we had chess in school, but now FIDE, that is the world body of chess, they will be doing this chess in school. In the chess in school, we mean that we take teachers also in confidence. And after school, no doubt the grandmaster and all the
chess main game. Ngidon kam kajing Asia, ngidon kam kajing perkhan, ngidon kam bantuan jiwon, ngidon kam ke consistency. Daya ngidon kane gila banpoi seluk tahun kajing jauh. Ngatarai kinoi isi pentah ni ngapoi perkhan, ngidon hanut katiki players of chess oleh boy district. Dari tak ada bahayo orang rumah dari kampung ayo in sisai kekhmat kaba Angnud kekhmat kaba don jingkarman nak kepada district kejongi bandar se sami kekhmat pro district kejongi angin insan yang kam hai. I think everyone of us agree with me that when we come to participate in such event, especially in the chess tournament, we are like a pawn. Am I right? Because we started just as a pawn. But remember, a pawn can be a queen if it reaches till the end. And that demands precision, that demands consistency, that demands a mind game that you can reach till the level that one day you will be the queen. I think every one of us here participating in this chess tournament, I think we don't want to remain as a pawn. Am I right? But one day we want to reach to the level of a queen that is a grandmaster. As the president of the Chess Association of Livoy rightly said, that one day this room will produce a grandmaster. I have no doubt about it, but that also depends on you. If you work hard, if you be able to do it, I think you can reach till that level to represent the district, to represent the state and the country as well.
meghalayapost.news